Elon Musk's claim to fame is not a secret. His various out-of-the-box ventures, tech entrepreneurship, innovative ideas, and controversial opinions have earned him quite a reputation. The latest news from Elon Musk's universe is his massive selling spree to acquire the multi-blogging site Twitter. Here is the latest update from Musk's recent selling of Tesla stocks. The richest person in the world has reportedly sold off $7.92 million shares in the electric car manufacturing company. As of August 2022, Elon Musk had a 16% stake in Tesla. These shares were worth $144 billion. So why did he sell off these precious shares, which largely contributed to his net worth, making him the world's richest person? To dig deeper into this share sell-off, we have to go back in time. Earlier this year, Elon Musk had agreed to acquire the microblogging site Twitter in a $44 billion deal, but then backed out of the deal citing some reasons which critics deemed lacked credibility. The deal is still being fought strongly in court, with a date for the trial scheduled in October this year. Deets of the shares sell-off. According to news sources, Musk sold off 7.92 million shares in Tesla after the firm's annual shareholder meeting that took place last week. These shares were worth $6.88 billion. The latest transactions pertaining to the Tesla shares sell-off were carried out on August 5th, 8th, and 9th, as per the 6 filings with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The reason behind selling off the shares? Musk said that he needs money in case he is forced to buy Twitter, which was mutually decided to be priced at $44 billion. It was only last month when the tech mogul decided to pull out of the Twitter buy-off deal. A tweet asking Elon Musk whether he had sold off Tesla shares was the reason the news surfaced. He curtly replied to the tweet with a yes. He also added that he needed the money in case he was forced to buy Twitter and would be unable to secure some funding at the time of the deal. In the words of Musk's original tweet, it is important to avoid an emergency sale of Tesla stock. Another Twitter user asked him if he would buy the Tesla shares again if the Twitter buyout doesn't take place. Musk replied with a yes. Earlier in July, Mr. Musk had said that he planned to walk away from the Twitter deal, which led to the microblogging company suing him. Citing his reasons for backing off from the deal, Musk said that Twitter had withheld information from him regarding the presence of fake accounts. A U.S. judge ruled that the Twitter lawsuit against Musk should go to trial in October 2022. Twitter is hopeful that he would uphold his previous commitments and that Elon Musk would complete the Twitter takeover at the previously agreed price of $54.20 per share. Musk countersues on Twitter. Musk is not the one to stay behind. He promptly countersued Twitter, citing his reasons that have not been made public yet. Twitter also said last month that between April and June 2022, it had spent $33 million on the initial takeover deal. It was also reported that the number of monthly users on Twitter had risen to 237 million. But a net loss of $270 million has also been reported, faring Twitter much worse than expected. Musk has been on a selling spree. It is not the first time Elon Musk has been reported to sell off stocks in recent times. In fact, he has been on a selling spree since November 2021. He has referred to the declining share prices of Tesla as a buying opportunity for investors. The recent sell-off has been a shocker to both fans and critics alike. Another shocking news that made headlines last year was Tesla's major investment in Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency. But it was last month when Tesla offloaded 75% of its Bitcoin investments, which was worth at least $2 billion at the end of 2021. Tesla revealed that it bought traditional currencies with the $936 million proceeds acquired after the Bitcoin load-off. Is there further stock selling on the horizon? After Elon Musk disclosed the sale of 7.9 million Tesla shares for $6.9 billion, it was revealed that he sold off about 5% of his total position in Tesla, dropping his total ownership of Tesla to a 15% stake. His position as the largest shareholder of the electric vehicle manufacturer is still secure, with the Vanguard Group as the second largest Tesla shareholder, owning 6% of the total stakes at the company. This stock-selling incident is not a lone one. Musk has been spending most of his time during the past year selling shares and liquidating his assets. He has dumped off Tesla stocks worth $33 billion and acquired approximately $24 billion meanwhile. After he sold off $8.5 billion worth of Tesla stock earlier this year in April, he had promised not to sell off anymore. In a tweet on April 28, 2022, he wrote, "No further TSLA sales planned after today." But he couldn't seem to keep his promise as he went back to sell off after a few months. After the latest August 9 stock dump, Tesla investor Sawyer Merritt asked Musk whether he has completed his selling, to which he replied with a positive. Answering another Twitter user's tweet, he wrote, "In the hopefully unlikely event that Twitter forces this deal to close and some equity partners don't come through, it is important to avoid an emergency sale of Tesla stock." He also said on Twitter that if he manages to get out of the Twitter buyout unscathed, he will buy more Tesla shares. A poker move. Selling off stocks seems a little desperate on Musk's part. However, right after the news broke, both Twitter and Tesla stock rose up to 3%. Analysts are terming Musk's steps as a poker move, while some are estimating Twitter's price target to raise from $30 to $50. This also increases the chances of the deal being closed by either Twitter winning in court or an out-of-court settlement by the autumn of 2022. Want more latest updates from the world of Elon Musk? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos. See you until next time.